@Tumalo_ICT, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of Forex trading. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. Imagine mastering candlestick patterns, spotting trends before anyone else, and making trades with confidence. That's what we're all about here. Follow me on Instagram @Tumalo_ICT for daily insights, tips, and live updates. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps you can use right away. No jargon, no fluff, just pure trading knowledge. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Hit that subscribe button and let's conquer the Forex market together. Welcome to the Tumalo_ICT trading family.
Yo, what up, guys? I wanna give you all a breakdown of this trade. So this is what before. This was my anticipation, right? So I wanted the market to sweep the low of this candlestick and reject inside. Once price rejected inside, I know that it forms a seek and destroy profile to push price to the upside. So let's look at this from a chart. So here is uh, the low that I wanted the market to actually manipulate. Just this thing right back here. So price, once my price swept this low, right, and closing back inside, uh, I'll look for price to continue to the upside, right? So my first entry was right about here. So let me go back to a 4-hour time frame, and yeah. So looking at here, we we had a manipulation of this low, and then it closed back inside, right? Once we close back inside, we know that we're looking for those continuations to the upside. That is where my second entry was here. The first entry I missed it, but my second entry was here. That's when I caught my my second entry, and obviously targeting this high right about here. So yeah, that's how I caught the entry to basically push price to the upside. So easy peasy, just a simple breakdown, you see. So before, my overall range was within this candlestick. As you can see from here, we manipulated the high, right? And then also we look at the low that formed this high. Sorry about the background noise. So it's maintenance in my building, so I can't control that, and this is the only time I found to make the video. Yeah, but as you can see, our overall range was from this candlestick, and then this low initiated the sweep of this low, and then we closed back inside. So closing back inside which is a seek and destroy profile, right? But I cannot look for this low to be destroyed since we are overall in a bullish trend, right? So I wanted the low of this candlestick to be taken out and then price closing back inside. If price went lower, I would have anticipated for price to sweep this low and closing back inside. But since we swept this one and closed back inside, I had that chance to enter my buying opportunities and obviously target this high right about there. So yeah, I'm sorry about the background noise. Yeah, I apologize for the background noise, but this is the only opportunity that I've got to analyze, to basically give a recording. And then if I go to gold, I also caught an entry on gold. I caught an entry right about here at this opening of this candlestick, mainly because my range was from this candlestick. So as you can see, we swept the high of this candlestick and then closed back inside, which is a seek and destroy profile, which means we're looking for the low of this candlestick to be taken out, and price reversed, took out the low and closed back inside, right? So what are we targeting? The high that led to the sweep of this low, which is this high right about here. That's when I caught my entry right about here, and then take profit at the target, right? And then stop loss below here, right? So yeah, I'm so sorry again for the noise. I hope you all can hear me.